quick review to how to change the name of the column, how to rename the column. For example, here we have the column that we would love to have in a different in a different way. So company dot project. We say it's ugly way, so we would love to rename this and get a normal name. In order to do that, we need to write alter. It's in MySQL, by the way. Alter table, the name of the table, company dot name of the table project, rename column. Then we are adding the old column's name, this one. In order to get this name, because there are some characters I don't know how to write them, we're just writing the insert short name. We copy the long name, copy the long name, project. No, we don't need the long name, we need on the short name, and that goes after the column, and we need to write 2 and the new name of the column. If you refresh, now you're gonna have the new name of the column.